At ZETA, our project management is guided by 4 key principles: handling complex tasks with a solution-oriented and creative approach, ensuring high implementation speed, maintaining transparency with clients and internally, and consistently following quality management's first-time right approach.
As project lead times become shorter, the project environment becomes more agile. We have always faced the challenge of tracking changes and maintaining an overall view of the project. Initially, we created a click dummy. This allowed ZETA to incorporate its project management expertise from recent years and provided CodeFlügel's with a solid foundation for software development.
We start every software project by focusing on the users. Often, we sit with decision makers who have certain expectations for the project. However, when we talk to the people who will actually use the software, we often gain valuable insights. This ensures that the software not only works technically, but is also user-friendly and intuitive. This way, we can identify and fix conceptual errors and design gaps early on, leading to a high return on investment.
We thoroughly tested this click dummy before starting the programming.
Previously, communication between different trades in ZETA-led projects was complicated and time-consuming. Information about individual change processes had to be painstakingly transferred from emails, messenger messages, and team meetings into Excel lists. This was not only time-consuming, but also stressful, hindering efficient collaboration and adding risk to the projects.
The goal of the change management tool was to bring more transparency to the process of digitally mapping change requests from clients or internally. This means that a client's request, for example, causes a certain change in planning, and the change manager has to organize the necessary effort and planning work.
Status updates are visible to everyone at any time. External partners are also automatically integrated into the tool. Follow-up processes, such as billing, are generated automatically.
You can think of it like a ticket system. A change request comes in, and the change manager can forward it to various departments. It's a networked communication system. Everything happens online in the web tool, meaning real-time communication. Everyone involved knows the status, the nature of the change, where it is, and what information is still needed to get a complete picture of the process.
We were able to reduce the lead time for change requests by up to 50% with 100% transparency. The tool pays for itself in about a year.
We couldn't develop software alone without the active involvement of the client. This was truly great. We received a lot of input and improvement suggestions, and in return, we could contribute our software experience.
With this support, we can allocate our valuable resources to the right activities in the project and relieve them wherever possible.
The big advantage of using the tool over a longer period is the generation of a large amount of data across multiple projects. The tool itself already provides ROI and benefits in each individual project, but across all projects, we can generate experiential knowledge. This means we can make project forecasts and quickly estimate average change management efforts based on past data.
Together, we are setting new standards and have developed a tool with CodeFlügel's that goes beyond being just a tool.
It's a joint step into the future. This allows ZETA to offer enormous added value in a successful cooperation.
The change management tool makes our daily work much easier and substantially faster.